guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's spring and we've got to get these wildflower gardens cleaned up from last year. We're going to be going out there and cleaning up all of the dead plants that I left over the winter for bugs to overwinter in, and we're going to clean that all up that this year's gardens can grow up nice and fresh and clean instead of growing up through all that dead stuff. I do have help in today's video, so if you do see someone in the video, that is why. We do have 6 large gardens to tackle. This is going to be a lot of work, but if we stay consistent, then I'm sure we can get it done in no time. So let's get out there. I've got all the tools out there and we're going to get this project done. These are the gardens that we're going to be working with. Do you see all the yellow things that are sticking up? We got to get all of those, and we have to get these trees that have been growing here. They're kind of rooted in there, so we're going to have to get those out of there. Stuff has already started growing, especially like pine trees and maple trees. I believe this is a big tree that's starting to grow. And then we're going to be getting all of these. These are easy to pull out, but all of that stuff in the middle is going to prevent all of the greenery from growing up. You can see it's starting to grow right now. And then we also have rakes to try to get some of this leaves out of here. Oh crap. That was a tree.
There we go. Nature work.
What?
You must have grew up doing a lot of nature work and stuff.
No, I'm very new to this.
Really?
Yep. Very new to it. But because I know I'm building a community, I want to maintain it, so I want it.
Oh, yeah.
Making a lot of progress. And then I'm going to bring out the weed eater and we're going to do the yellow ones because those are harder to dig up. He's digging up the trees right now and there are a lot of them. So one thing I want to mention is that There are all these trees right there, and when they blow their seeds into here, they start growing the trees. And I don't get to them enough, so there are several 20s of trees just growing in the middle. Or they're hard to pull up because they've rooted so deep into the ground, and I just do not have, I don't want all those trees here. I want my wildflower gardens here.
I thought I was coming all the way to you with that root.
Oh, shit.
You got a lot of progress done in just a couple hours. To myself.
Day one is done, and it's already looking really spacious for all these greens to start growing up. It was all hidden before by all of that dead stuff. I still got to get over there in that corner, but that's on the other side of the gardens. But we got these gardens done. We're gonna move on to day 2 tomorrow and do the back 3 gardens. This is day 2 working on these wildflower gardens. We're actually gonna be working in the back this time. The front is all done except for the leaves. We still have to take out all the leaves, but we have 3 big gardens in the back. So my friend just got here and we are going to work on these gardens. My friend just arrived. We're about to get all of these things again, all the tools. We're going to the back gardens. We collected these yesterday, which are the roots from the trees. And I'm thinking about replanting those. However, I don't know if those need to be in water right now, so I'm gonna have to look that up. But yeah,
Put them in water. I definitely would put them in water.
we're gonna get going. We are back out here. This is the back of my land, and these are the gardens. These actually look a little bit worse than the ones up front. The two end ones are really big, but this time we do have that section over there to drag all of the brush into, rather than all the way back there, which there's another brush pile. But I did bring out some house wrap, so I'm gonna unfold that, and then that's what we're gonna be putting the brush on and dragging it over to this line right there.
Yeah, there's quite a bit. Not as many as yesterday, but not as many altogether.
I mean, there's full line.
Got good.
Made some progress on this first garden. It's not as bad when you have a couple people doing it. 2 more to go. There is that many trees inside these gardens. We have pulled out like a ton. There's a ton right there. And if we need to use the shovel, we're using the shovel, but a lot of these back here, my neighbor's yard floods into this yard, so these trees have been a lot easier to get up than the front gardens were. Making progress. We're on the second and third garden. Okay, we have got all 3 gardens done. All of the mess in the middle has been put in that pile over there, another brush pile. I did not save the trees with the roots this time to replant those because I have plenty up front. And pretty soon these wildflower gardens are going to come up and look as beautiful as they do every year. Doing those wildflower gardens with 2 people went by a lot quicker. It only took 2 days, and I think that's why I haven't done a video on this yet, because I didn't want to have it take like 3 or 4 days and do all that filming. With help, it got done a lot quicker. Thank you so much to my friend Daniel for helping me. This is going to now allow the wildflower gardens to grow up without all that dead stuff, just like the produce gardens and the front mobile home garden. I didn't do this last year as much as I wanted to. I kind of took just the big stuff out, but I didn't go in there with a weed eater. But I went in with the weed eater this time just to get some of that stuff back into the earth. You can compost all of that back into there. Some of the seeds will reseed into the wildflower garden, so instead of me having to plant them again, all of the seeds that fell off, all the stuff that I was weed eating, or even as you pull the stuff out, the rest of the seeds scatter and spread onto the dirt, and the whole cycle starts over again, because most of these wildflowers are perennial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification each time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. I have not done this. Don't put that.
Smell like fresh coat.